have you heard about those fish attacks in, I don't know, somewhere out there?
Yeah, but at least I'm glad they haven't come to the city yet. Also, what the hell are you wearing, bro?
This is my...
Fishy gishy! Fishy gishy! Fishy gishy! Prepare to fucking die! Fishy gishy! Fishy gishy! Fishy gishy! Hi, Ma.
Help me, they broke my leg.
Fishy Fishy gishy!
Let's get out
What
of
the?
here.
You're not going to escape from the car, you dumbass! Fishy gishy! Fishy gishy! My brother would be happy. I'm not happy for you, little bro. Fishy! Gishy! Attack! Fish attack! Get out of here, you stupid military! Yeah, that's what you get!
You stupid!
Hey, you can't say the N-word!
Okay.
Hey! You guys! Stop here!
It is I, Johnny Big Feet, and I am here to put a stop to your, killing.
I don't care! You freaking weirdo! What? Who is that?
Bro, what the heck? There's a third one?
Hey, don't attack my brothers!
Retreat.
Wait, you're my brother? This is your final destination.
What was that?
I am the leader of your fort. I'm the leader of the fishy gishys. Laser beam! Fishy gishy.
Oh my god, that fish is gigantic.
I'm so scared.
Zhao Ling is shitting himself in extreme emotional distress.
It's massive.
That was so unfunny! Holy shit, this game is laggy. Wait, who are those guys? Fishy gishys! Attack! Fishy gishy! Ah, whoa, shit! Thank you, master. You're not gonna do anything to our fishy kind. Fishy kind, attack! Fishy gishy! Fishy gishy! I'm killing everybody! You guys will never stop me! You guys will never stop us! We're the fishy gishys! Is the iPad gonna explode or what? Wait. Ooh, airplane! Oh my god! Somebody clear everything now! Fishy gishy! Fishy gishy! Everybody attack! Brothers! Attack the fishy gish! Attack the fruit citizens! Get out of here, you stupid mango! I don't know what species you are. We are the other fishy gushy. It's like, yeah guys, let's go! Attack these stupid military! I'm getting goosebumps! Help! Ooh, okay, first off, let's attack these stupid citizens. You fishies have done been successful!
Breaking news. It has been discovered that a bunch of giant fish have been killing fruit citizens across many cities. Make sure you stay safe or whatever. I don't care, I just want to go home. If you see any of these fish in your area, make sure to contact authorities, I guess. Stay safe. I'm gonna go get a burger.
You're not gonna get a burger! A burger!
What's that?
It is I. It is I, the biggest fish of all time, of our fishy kind. Goodbye, you fruit citizen! Say goodbye to your puny town. Wait, what? Oh, look at these stupid citizens. Fishies, attack! I love being a fishy gishy, guys. Me too, bro. Like, it's so fun. Like, it's literally so fun. Except we... Fish attack! Fishy attack! Fishy attack! Fishy attack! Fishy attack! Fishy attack! Fishy... Hey, you should be attacking us. That's illegal. Fish, little bro, attack him. Okay, big bro. You chopped off his leg. So what? I don't care. Give me your head. I'm gonna eat it. What the military's here. Get out of here, you dumb military. I'm gonna squish you with your friend. Throw attack. Wait. Sorry, guys.
Come on,
I'm afraid that I'm gonna break my microphone. Hey, you think bullets could fix us?
Oh my god. Someone help me.
Yummy, yummy. Fishy, attack! Laser beam! Man, I love this. This is the best day ever. Creamy peanut butter. Man, this is so awesome! I love this. Dude, this is the best day ever. Get out of here! Move! Move! Johnny Big Feet, you have butter? I didn't know that. I'm gonna clap this. Fishy gishy. Oh no, fish! Go attack Millen City right now. Okay, do for you, for master. Yeah, master. You do anything. Yeah, fire! Fire! For real, man. We're gonna attack the city. We'll be so good. Good. Now, go to the city right now. We're gonna cause destruction in that place. Alright, let's go! Now, for you, go to the bay. Okay, whatever, Bob. Whatever you say, man. Yeah, let's go! Let's go to the city. Melview Melanina.
This date is going so well. By the way, how old are you?
Me 58 years old, Andy like to smell sweaty feet.
Oh my god, that is such an ick. That's it, I'm leaving you.
Shut the fuck.
Guys, look up. It's a giant fish.
No, ayúdame, Cioro. Holy freaking Poppy is freaking item.
I love destruction! man, this is the best.
I'm escaping. What a dumbass. I can't believe you tried to escape with me.
You're a dumbass! I have a gun. Nobody can stop me. Hey, get out of here. This is my job.
What are you doing up there? I'm doing yoga poses. Don't push my back.
Fishy attack! Fish attack! Right now! Fishies attack right now! Man, I'm such a good fish. Man. You didn't just escape me? You're the fishy gishys. You just fell into fire. We're dumbasses. Creamy peanut butter, creamy peanut butter, creamy peanut butter.
Dude, what is wrong with you? Why are your legs so big?
It's a birth defect, okay?
Get out of here! I'm gonna break your legs! No big legs for tomorrow! Fishy gishys, attack! Let's go attack, butters! You sound fucking British. Sorry, guys. Wait, ad. Copyright music.
Come here, you stupid thief.
I'm a fishy gishy. I have an AK-47. Cake dad, you stupid military.
Go away. Run away.
You're not gonna stop. Run. Boom. Creamy peanut butter. Creamy peanut butter. I'm ruling my empire. Now, fishies. What do you want, boss? I mean, there's something we could do about it. Yeah, boss. Can't do anything. You wanted to cause destruction or something? No, I'm just gonna go see my friend. Like the other friend, right? I'm the new fishy! I'm the new gigantic fishy gishy! Wait, let me wash my mind because I feel like it's gonna be dirty. Hey, Cosmo! Hello! My friend Bob bring in here, so I'm here to kill you guys. That's what we do. That's what you do. Man, this beat is fire! Atomic breath! Atomic breath! Atomic breath! Super atomic breath! Super atomic breath! Super atomic breath! Alright, guys. Super atomic breath! Super atomic breath! You didn't even just escape us, mate! Wait, do we have a British one in our team? Yes, mate. I'm the British one. Okay, it's not like I'm racist. Alright, that's kind of weird, mate. Fishy gishy! I'm new fishy gishy! We're bringing new fishy gishy to town! Not just the classic ones! Man, making a fish... Oh wait, I moved to the voice. Oh fuck. So delicious. Oh shit. Alright, let's go to the fishy spaceship. I agree with you, brother. Let's go, everybody! Let's go! Let's go! Fishy gibby, fishy gishy, fishy gishy, super fly! The Goldie spaceship. Location, the Cooper Pulp. This ship is bigger than us, though. Yeah, I agree with you. Man, it's good. Hello? Yeah, we agree, okay? Alright, let's go attack the city right now. You come with us. Alright, guys. Guys, do you think this is a good idea? I don't know. Well, I don't know, because I never heard of a fishing game. Bloop, bleep, bleep, bloop. Also, I'm gonna voice act another one, which is Jellyman.
Hill signs died.